got the vibe, got the vibe, got the vibe, got the
T-Boy's taking over. Currently on the ferry. Got Dalton here with me. Today we're buying another coupe for the channel.
This is a long time in the making, boys.
Yeah, Buddy's been saving up for like a fucking year. He's spending every last dollar of his money.
I'm going broke after this. I've been saving up my pennies.
Yeah,
And the day's come.
washing cars.
The day's come.
So we'll update you guys when we see the car. Should be sick. Nice cock.
Nice, yeah.
Hour and a half. Almost there. What time is it? 30 minutes?
30 minutes till we get the new fucking car.
Dalton's pretty excited.
Fuck.
It's gonna be sick. It's really clean.
Working HUD. It's already on coilovers.
Yeah, it's got a bucket seat and an Nardi, so. All right, so we just picked up the car. What do you think, Dalton?
You know, she's a little rough around the edges, but other than that, she's pretty fucking mint.
It's pretty clean.
I mean, the only issue is that there's a fucking hole underneath the fucking slave cylinder, whatever the fuck it's called. I don't know, I'm not a fucking mechanic. Pop the fucking hood here. Let's take a look. Alright, as you can see, fuck am I putting this? He's done some shit to it.
Yeah, he's got the fucking ISR coilovers, Mishimoto rad. Some more ISR shit. But as you can see, there's a fucking hole down there. But we'll probably patch that up. Scope the interior. It's pretty clean. But he's got a fucking broad bucket seat. The Nardi. The garage moon power floor mats. Oh fuck. Crackless dash. It's pretty clean. Everything works.
Pop the trunk.
Buddy got a fucking brand new clutch and some other goodies. Got the shark nose bumper. They're the pig nose. Dalton's gonna swap that over pretty soon.
What else we got? What do we got back here? What else did he say? There's a lot of shit, honestly.
But yeah, just like a bunch of parts that came with the car.
We got a little Moist Boys care package.
Yeah, now we're gonna make this thing look sick.
Yeah, we gotta solve some mods here, boys.
Boys are at Bass Pro. You already know we're copping freshies, man. You already know we're copping freshies. You getting one?
What is this?
Little Cabela's action.
I think we gotta call it down.
Holy shit, white is dirty, man. Fishies! Wow! Fishies! Look at the dirty brown. Got some for the boys too back home.
Looks great with the mully. Holy. Alright.
Now we're gonna gun it to the ferry, and we'll try and get some clips of the car actually driving.
Crazy, man. Boys are back. P-Boy and Dalton.
New Bass Pro.
Dalton with the Bass Pro.
With the Cabela's.
What'd you get? Coupe? We got my car without the fucking garbage, all the garbage I put on it.
Dalton picked up. The
She's a little rough. She's a little rough.
This is your car?
This is my car.
Right on.
New to the channel. But yeah.
Crazy, man.
This is the S13.
But I got a good deal.
Yeah, buddy
You
paid.
paid less than what I paid for mine, and mine was blown.
Yeah, this one actually runs pretty good.
Yeah, man.
Very clean.
Pretty clean.
Very, very clean.
Got the shark nose front bumper in the back right there.
Came with the friggin' grid. Crazy, man. Always pop this thing, man.
Some ISR coilovers. ISR intake.
Oh, the header.
Or the header, sorry.
Dalton's learning. It's okay.
I'm learning, I'm sorry.
First car, right? Is this first car?
It's my first car. It's
You
my
made a
first.
mistake buying this.
Man, you gotta go to fucking Crappy Tire and get a
Oh, the
pod
the only
filter.
mod P-Boy knows how to do is put a pod filter on
Yeah.
the car.
Actually adds like 100 horsepower.
Actually, Colby might know how to do a valve cover now. I don't know.
Yeah, we can do it. Easy
Think so?
money. Yeah.
I think you could. Clean, man. So you got the ISR header. The
ISR coilovers.
coilovers.
Came with a ABS delete kit in the back, a short shifter.
The ISR braided clutch line. Decent. And it came with a new slave and master.
Yeah.
And a
Ishimoto.
whole clutch, man. I
Yeah,
think the
baby.
white bunny clutch, I think it's called.
Is it?
Yeah.
She's looking mint. Needs a little clean, but it's alright.
Yeah, not too bad. Not too
You can
bad.
tell it's been patched up, eh?
Oh, no shit, man. Oh, it's factory, man.
That's factory, bro. You can't go to Vancouver to buy a car and not pick up a couple Bass Pros.
Let's see Adams, too. How is this piece of shit on the highway?
This thing's fucking
Sounds like
mint.
a fucking 18-wheeler.
Yeah, literally sounds like a fucking truck, man.
Oh, it's clean, man.
Throw it on, throw it
I'll
on.
sauce it on.
That's the camera.
Holy
Oh, man,
fuck,
man.
that's a freshie.
Is it clean,
Dude, I
man?
can't even see it on camera.
Oh, it's
bright.
that clean?
It's that
Fuck,
clean.
it feels clean, man.
Exactly.
Hell yeah, brother. Her plans
So-
are adult, man.
Okay. Putting on the shark nose,
Yeah, yeah. gotta-
obviously.
No one likes the pig nose around here.
No one likes that. I want to respray it, repaint it.
You can repaint the whole thing
I'm gonna fucking repaint the
yourself?
whole thing. Obviously.
Spray paint?
Can't afford that. Are you fucking kidding me? New wheels. I'm looking at the Mark 1s.
Yeah, Mark 1s would be
They'd
pretty
be
cool
sick
in
on
this
this.
unit.
What are the Star Sharks? I like those as well. Is that what they're called?
This is all new to him. He's learning. He's just picking up on all this shit. You're right. You're right. You need to do maybe some aero. You say you want a B wave. You want a front lip. maybe
Yeah.
Some skirts.
I'm fucking learning. I'm learning as I go.
You're learning. This is day one. This is day one for him.
This is day one.
These blue. What's going on with
Yeah.
that?
Did they Sharpie it? Looks like they Sharpie
It's like
that.
almost purple. Sick mod though.
Respray that.
Yeah.
Crazy, man. Back at the stew.
Back at the stew. Look at the lineup. Look at the stew.
We need Adam's car here right now for this.
It's getting busy.
Who's parked in the studio spot is the real question.
Probably these cars, Dan.
Let's go with the white Bass Pro, man. Is it dirty?
Pretty
Look at the
dirty. It's gonna
lineup
get
here.
dirty, man. So I got brown. It's already shit stained for me.
Crazy, man.
Look at that, man.
Buying up all the S chassis in BC.
I'm not gonna lie, the drive back, I was getting fired up.
Dude, there's 6. So if all of us were at Ben's house right now, there would be 8.
Yeah,
8 S chassis, man.
that's fucked.
That's the game plan. We're buying up all the S chassis on the island and the mainland. Actually, we're buying up all the S chassis in BC.
All
Then we're gonna put them in a field and wait for the stonks to go up and then sell them all.
Dude, why is there a hole in my fucking rocker?
Talking to Adam?
Yeah, so come to the studio. He's blowing it. Bottom of fucking Bass
I'm talking
Pro.
about doing business, man. Are you satisfied, Dalton?
I'm hard. I got a lot to learn.
P-Boy's still got a lot to learn.
Yeah, comment down below. What do you think of P-Boy's appearance on the channel?
Well, pretty shit.
P-Boy's taking over. I don't know what to tell you. Also, whose car do you think's gonna blow up first? It's a good question. I have my bets on the middle one, but
Yeah, me too.
I'm right there.
Cool, man.
Cool, man.
Finally showed up.
I was doing business things, man.
Look at the studio. Give it a good look.
Hoarding all the garbage. Yes.
Crazy.
Dalton in his car.
Dalton, man.
Dalton.
Crazy, man.
Went from riding in the trunk of the S14 to having his own S13. Cool.
Crazy, man.
Wow. All right.
If anyone's trying to buy a clean coupe,
Good luck.
Too
Sorry
bad.
about
We
it.
bought them all.
We put the shark nose bumper on.
we bought 2 S13s Friday, and this S13 Sunday.
And then
Gotta catch
something
'em all.
else on Tuesday. I guess it's kind of irrelevant.
Oh, then we bought the E36.
But, oh yeah.
You bought an E36?
Yeah, right-hand drive one.
We're just taking control of the
4-door or
We're
market.
taking
two?
them all 4-door. Yeah.
Cool, man.
Good luck, guys.
Let us know how this video was. Let us know how Colby was.
Don't forget about the drop, March 26th.
You're probably pretty hard to
Wow.
watch, eh?
March 26th, 10 a.m.
Can you imagine all P-Boy and Dalton? It's gonna be shit.
Watch out for the watch out for the drop.
P-Boy and Dalton Adventures.
Yeah.
I don't know.
S13 Adventures.
S13 Adventures.
Stay tuned for diarrhea, chicken for breakfast,
Lots of twerking.
Sounds like a good video.
Crazy, man.
Yeah.
Like, share, subscribe. See you in the next one, boys.
You're wearing the new merch.
Too fast?
That was too
Crazy, man.
Dirty. He's already been wrenching in it.
Crazy.
Don't forget, March 26th.
Fogged up the lens, man.
What about the giveaway? Should we announce it? You're
What do you
gonna,
mean should we, man? Know your place, alright? Get the fuck out of here.
both are grinding the real estate.
Fucking
If you ever looking to buy, sell, or rent, hit me up.
Don't.
That's what yours is gonna sound like with the exhaust back on.
But it'd be deeper.
No, it'll be the exact same.
I don't like that. One bit. That was fucking disgusting. Ugh. Ugh. Ugh.
What's